So let's start with a common question. How will you change the styles like color theme, navbar settings, sidebar settings, project name, etc. in your web app or dashboard? So you have to change the code manually for every component to be styled. And that doesn't stop here. You have to do it for each and every steps of pages. And you can understand how much pain in ass this is. It can be the main reason for your project to get delayed, as it will escalate your development time, and it will also generate a big amount of unwanted crash code, which will make your theme very bulky, and it will difficult to prototyping that project. And when you have to make any change in your project, you have to do it every single time in your design. So I'm Iqonic from Iqonic Design, and let's start this video by seeing the amazing and the smartest way to get rid of these unwanted things with the help of Hope UI. Firstly, let's talk about the customizer that we get with normal dashboards, where you can do any customizing with a few clicks, but you can't make it default. So to make it default, we have come up with an amazing feature in Hope UI, that is Live Customizer. And with the 3 simple steps, you can do any changes in your dashboard, and you can also achieve the work efficiency in your project. And let's start with this video. This video is all about Live Customizer in HTML and Gulp version. And there are 3 chapters in this video. So let's hop in. So the chapter 1 is set your settings. Firstly, we will open our customizer just from here. Here we have 2 types of settings, style settings and advanced settings. Style setting is about customizing the style dashboard layout, like changing the theme to dark mode, again light mode, converting it to the RTL or again to LTR mode. There are some predefined colors that you can customize and set according to your theme. And you can also set the theme color by just clicking here. And you can also set the custom color by just clicking here, that is primary and secondary colors. Now we have the menu color, using which you can change the color of sidebars. In the menu style, we have numerous options like mini, hover, and boxed. And you can also combine these elements and make a different variation. It's all about permutation and combinations. You can do it according to your imagination. In active menu style, we have different styles for the makers, like round on one style will make a radial line at one side. Round all will make both sides radial. In the same way, we have peel on one side, peel all, and in Pro will get a new active menu style that is left bordered, and it is only available in Pro version. And followed by the navbar style, we have different settings for navbar, like glass, then it's sticky, and then transparent, and that is a default. It will convert it to the as it was, and you can also try some basic combination in it. We have given the customization in a way that it can easily match your theme, and which will high up the trend of dashboard designs. Now going into the advanced section, you have the option to change the app name, like here I am changing it to Lorium. Changing the name here will change the name of your app anywhere in the entire project. Then we have the option to change our body fonts and the heading fonts. Now by changing the font on the body, the font of the entire project will be changed, like I am putting it to the Poppins, and you can see the change. And if you want to change the font of header only, then you can change it, and like I am changing it to Oswald now. We can change the page style to boxed or full width. Following to that, we can set the appearance of card in style appearance, like by keeping card flat, which means it will remove the shadow, or if you want it, you can off it and it will again be shadowed. Then you have bordered and sharp as well. Border will give a border and sharp will turn edges to sharp. This is how easy you can set a design layout for our dashboard. And you can now just simply click on copy config to copy our settings, and we can just paste this setting in the 3 different ways. So let's see them. So if you are using the Gulp version, we will just go in gulp.config.json, and we have to replace the option object here. All the values will be replaced. Then run the project by running the command run npm watch in your terminal. Making the changes in the Gulp version, we can see the update in your project in this new tab. And you can see the changes that we have done in our project, and you can see it has been default. And we can see the dashboard style has also been set. Now let's talk how to do same design in the HTML version. So to do that, let's go into the code. Suppose I am using the Gulp, or I don't want to do changes in the Gulp version. Then this is what the other way is around. Go to the template, and into component and the partial, and in that head.hbs. Here we have meta option named setting option. Having contain options, we will replace the copy config JSON with the options. Then save the project. Doing this, it will directly reflect in your project. In the similar way, we can paste this JS in the setting in.js, and in that replace the JSON with IQ settings setting options, and you will get a similar result. So there are the 3 ways to change the default settings in the Gulp version. Now let's see how to do same in our HTML version 2. Open code and then navigate to the index.html, and first paste the config in meta named setting option. By doing so, the setting will be set for that particular page. Now opening it with the live server, it has set a default. Now if we want this setting for each pages, we will simply go to the settings files, which is in assets, and we'll paste this config in the IQ setting. And we will again open it with the live server. Now all the pages have been changed accordingly. Like I'm going here in the mail page, and you can see the same page here too. And that's how we apply the live customizer in HTML version. Now what if we want to reset our progress and set it to our default that we have given to you? For that, we will remove the code that we have pasted previously in that section. Now I am doing that firstly in index.html. You can write the old code or even leave it empty. We will do the same in setting init, and in the same way in the meta, and we can change the code, or we can also remove the line by making it a comment. If you want to do it in Gulp config, we will do the same removal of code from gulp.config.json. And if you are unaware of the elements and code that will come here, you can simply go to the live site, copy the config from there and paste it here, and it will all be done. That's all about the live customizer in Hope UI, and you can see that is an amazing and powerful feature that we have provided to make your work more efficient. And there will be many videos available in this series for Hope UI to guide you through it so you can easily use it. And if you are not a professional and you don't want to buy the Hope UI Pro, then you can simply go to our website and use a free version that is open source code for Hope UI. So till then, like this video, subscribe it, click this bell icon, and you can share it to your friends and our development community so they can also enjoy this amazing product. Till then, hasta la vista.